Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada today, and I'm with Kyle. Kyle is one of our customers who has wrapped his Tesla Model 3 in our Defense Plus do-it-yourself paint protection film. And we're gonna go for a drive this morning, and we're gonna talk about Kyle's experience installing paint protection film on his Tesla, and we're gonna hear what Kyle has to say. So how's it going today?
It's going well.
Awesome.
It's a nice day in Vegas.
Yeah, it is a nice day. You guys probably have lots of these down here.
They don't stop.
No, I don't think so. Okay, first question, we'll get into it. What made you want to get paint protection film on your Tesla?
I wanted to get the film because it's been my first new vehicle in a long time.
Yeah.
And I wanted to take care of the paint from day one.
Yeah.
I didn't want there to be any blemishes under my paint protection.
Yeah.
And I wanted to save the paint. I actually think that this paint is a very good color. I have the metallic midnight silver.
Yeah.
From Tesla.
Yeah.
Which I thought was the best color Tesla makes.
Yeah.
And just the preservation of that paint and not having to ever worry about scratches or where I park or fading or anything like this really drew me to protect my paint. And with all the options and the coatings that you can get for these cars, the PPF seemed like the most durable and complete solution to all that.
Yeah.
And the fact that you don't necessarily need a professional shop to take your money to do that to your car really pushed me over the edge to do it myself and enjoy the process.
That's awesome. So that, I guess, kind of answers question number 2 I had for you, is what made you decide to do it yourself?
I am meticulous, and I don't think that a guy in a shop can do a better job than I can, even if it takes me longer. The shop guys go faster, not better.
Yeah.
They're trying to turn cars. I have all the time in the world, and I can learn, and I'm not bad.
Yeah.
So doing it myself is going to save me time. It's going to save me money. I get to have my car the whole time while I'm doing it. I don't have to leave my car at a shop for however long it takes anybody else to do it.
Yeah.
And I enjoy the process. It's really, when you're doing it yourself, you can be a perfectionist, meticulous. If it's not set just right, you can start over, wet it down, and get it to where it is absolutely right.
Yep. Yeah, no, totally.
And that to me, in the long run, when you're finished with it, that's going to show.
Yeah.
The final product.
Totally. All right, question number 3 I got. Knowing that all the resources are out there, do you believe that paint protection film is something that people can do themselves?
100%. If you have the time and the patience and an extra piece to practice with and screw up on, absolutely.
Awesome.
And I think that anybody, it doesn't take strength and it doesn't take knowledge to do this. It just takes a little bit of practicing so you can get comfortable with how PPF acts, how fast it will adhere, and how to get the bubbles out, how to get your solutions right, and none of that is that difficult.
Yeah.
At all.
Yeah, and there's lots of videos that we have on our YouTube channel as well too that'll help guide you through that process.
Absolutely. And there's actually one YouTuber that I actually got the most information from, and he was the most help that I referred to when I was doing mine.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, 4th question I got. What did you enjoy about the process?
I enjoyed getting to do it myself and being proud that I did that work, and knowing that the car's protected.
Yeah.
There's few better feelings than knowing if you scratch your car, or you don't scratch your car, and you come out and your car was scratched. When it's about 85 degrees or warmer, it actually will heal itself. You don't need another piece or to redo the job like you would on like window tint or a coating or something like that. It actually is very self-healing, and the sun will do the work for you. You just wait till it's a hot enough day.
Yeah, that's the benefits of self-healing paint protection film. Last question I got for you. How does it feel knowing you're driving protected?
It feels a lot better because I know a lot of Tesla owners, several Tesla owners who have one rock chip and it ruins their day every time they come out and look at their car in their garage, or they take it to a show, or somebody else has a Tesla right next to them at a red light, and all they can think about is this huge rock chip. Even if it's small, it's huge to them, and I don't worry about that because I don't get rock chips.
Yeah.
I'm driving protected.
Yeah, there you go. And if you do have a rock that actually penetrates the film and damages the paint, well, then you know that that was something massive, and everybody else would have had the same experience.
It would have been a lot worse.
Yeah, definitely. That too would have been a lot worse. So that's all the questions I got today for Kyle. I can't thank him enough for taking the time to go for a ride with me this morning and talk about his experience installing our Drive Protected Defense Plus paint protection film. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video.
Absolutely. I can't recommend it enough, and the customer service with Drive Protected is better than anybody else who sells this product in the business. Don't hesitate to reach out and call them. They will make sure that everything that you need is done right.
Absolutely.